Ay, Tan. Ay, Denise. Dash.
On na, di ba, Cam?
On cam na, on cam na.
Hi.
Hi, guys! Hello,
Hi.
everybody!
Hi, Stormers. Oo nga, super dami. It's
Ang
a
dami
lot
talaga.
of people.
Oh, first
Ito
time
na
actually
siguro
ganito karami.
maraming Zoom na pasukan ko.
Right? There's a lot of people.
Sobrang
Look at
exciting
Hi,
talaga.
guys.
Hi,
Hi mo na kayo sa kanila.
Hello.
Hi, Starmates. Kamusta kayo?
Feeling ko kanina pa silang lahat excited kasi ang dami ng comments. Nag-hi sila sa inyong dalawa.
Diba? Sa'yo din natin, Denise. Meron.
Yeah, if you guys
Ay,
didn't happy guys.
2 PM pa lang, nandito na sila. Inaantay kayo.
What time?
2 PM kami nag-start na magpapasok, so may mga nag-aantay na kanina pa. Para naman pala ng pelikula.
Grabe!
Makapanood kayo.
Super excited.
Pero guys, kamusta naman kayo?
Hello everyone! Welcome to our JC Videos channel. So ngayon na lang ulit tayo magkakaroon ng Ashton content kasi nakita ko to sa laptop guys. Naalala ko yung comment ni Water Lily sa previous video ko. So sabi niya doon, ate napapadaan talaga yung vlog mo at naalala ko talaga yung panahon natin about Ashton at lagi akong updated sa mga upload mo noon. At ang bilis ng paglipas ng panahon, yes. Ilang taon na rin ba? 2019, 2020, magpo 4 years na siguro na wala nang balita sa Ashton or wala nang Ashton. So ngayon, dahil doon sa comment niya na yon at nakita ko nga yung video, ay upload ko na ngayon yung ano yun? Ano ba tawag doon? Sa Adobe yun parang Zoom meeting. So nakasali ako doon sa meeting na yun guys. Ewan ko ba't hindi ko siya na-upload dati. So ngayon i-upload ko lang siya kasi sayang naman kung buburahin ko, diba? Memories din to sa Ashton. So yun guys, enjoy!
Denise,
Are we
kamusta ka naman?
excited?
Ako, okay naman ako. I've just been continuing with my life as a streamer. Pero eto, very new to me. So excited talaga ako. Especially for the two of them, si Tan and si Ash. So, ayun, I can't wait to see the episode. So sana kayo rin guys. Ma-excited kayo lalo.
What about you, Ashley? How have you been?
I've been good. I've been waiting for this day to come. I'm excited because if you guys didn't know, it's me, Tan, and Ate Denise's first time watching it as well. So you guys will see our reactions then. So super excited na ako. Makita yung yung acting ko. And with Tan and Ate Denise.
Ikaw ba, Tan? Gano'n ka excited?
Sobrang excited. Tsaka kinakabahan ako kasi kagaya ng sabi ni Ash, ngayon lang namin makikita to. Ikaw, Kuya Jose, anong masasabi mo sa movie?
Ako nakita ko na.
Sana.
How was it,
Nakita ko
Kuya
na.
Jose?
Mamaya. Siyempre, hindi ko muna sa inyo sasabihin, pero talagang kaabang-abang ang pelikula niya. Pero ngayon, maya kasi papanoorin natin. Sabay-sabay nating papanoorin. Pero ngayon, pag-usapan muna natin yung pelikula, kung paano ba ito nagsimula. Ikaw, Denise, di ba, you were tapped, ikaw kinausap ka namin to become a part of pelikula Adobo. Anong reaction mo when you found out na part ka ng cast?
Super nagulat ako kasi I wasn't really expecting na to be part of it. But at the same time, I got very excited since I'm going to be part of like an Ashton series, ganyan. So, nakaka-excite kasi parang hala, oh my gosh, pinapanood ko lang din sila. So like, it's very new to me and I'm very, very excited to work with them. And yun, super happy naman. Sobra.
Pero rin mo, di ba, star on the Global Showdown Grand Winner, tas ngayon acting na rin. Hindi mo naman to first time din sa acting kasi nagsa-theater ka before, di ba?
Yes, oo, hindi to first time. Pero, ang first time talaga here is, working na naka-quarantine. So like, that's like the setup, the pretty new. Pero, yun, okay naman, it worked well naman.
It worked well naman. What about you, Ashley, Tan? Kayo kakaiba yung proseso na dinaanan niyo to become the bida, di ba? Dumaan muna kayo sa pelikula Spotlight, nagbotohan yung fans, and kayo ang nagwagi. Kayo talaga yung gusto nilang maging parte ng pelikula. So, pwede niyo bang ikwento sa amin yung experience niyo doon sa pelikula Spotlight?
Yung experience, I mean, we wouldn't be here without you guys, of course. Kasi diba, we were here among other love teams din. But kami talaga yung napili nyo guys. So you put your trust in us and sobrang consistent nyo guys. Since our Kumu live, you really believed in us and put your trust in us. So we want to thank you for that and just super grateful na you guys trust us with this.
Kabatan.
Tama. Ay,
Tama, yun lang.
sobrang English speaking eh. Yeah, so sa lahat ng live namin, todo support sila. Kung magbigay sila ng gifts, parang sure win talaga. Kaya thank you so much sa inyo guys. Tsaka sobrang masaya ang saya namin ni Ashley today kasi ngayon makikita niyo na din yung parang binuhos namin na effort sa para sa inyo.
Sabi mo nga di ba parang sure win na talaga. Anong bang reaction mo nung nalaman mo na kayo ng panalo? Kasi nung Kumu nyo, nagpaulan yung mga fans nyo ng gifts and umabot kayo ng 12 million diamonds.
Diba? 12 million?
Diba? 12 million yun. Si Denise bilang streamer, syempre, diba, grabe yun talaga yung support.
Grabe yun, of course.
12 million. Isang live, 2 hours lang yun. Kasi
Oh my
talagang
God.
kayo. So, anong naging
Solid
reaction
yun
nyo
lahat.
nung nakita nyo yun? Tapos naramdaman nyo na uy, parang sa atin na talaga to.
Opo, yun naramdaman ko. So, sabi, kinabahan din ako nun. Sabi ko, hala, parang mukhang kami mananalo.
Ba't ka kinabahan nung nalaman mo na baka kayo manalo?
Kasi tawag dito, first time ko mag-acting through Zoom. Tapos hindi kagaya sa parang, mag-meet kayo ng mga director mo, ganyan-ganyan. So, extra knowledge ko na parang pwede pala through Zoom na mag-shoot. Ganun.
What about you, Ashley? What was your reaction? Nung nakikita mo yan. Alala ko na you were quite emotional then.
Oh, I was overwhelmed. Grabe. I was overwhelmed kasi it's like this is it. Kasi I think it was close call with another love team. I
with
forgot.
Keanu. I think
Yeah,
lamang sila ng 8
Keanu.
million nun or 9 million.
Yeah, so I was like, I want this, but like I'm not sure if we're gonna get it. Tapos we got it. So then, grabe nakita ko talaga na like, oh, you guys really want this. So I think it motivated us more to like give it our very best. When we found the 12 million, grabe, a lot.
And then after nun, you found out na kayo nanalo. Diba, nagkumu muna kayo to thank your fans, syempre. Pero nung nag-meeting na about the story, ano bang reaction you when you found out about the story ng pelikula Adobo?
It was cute. Ang cute ng story, based on long distance friendship, which we can relate to right now since may pandemic right now. So I think they will like it. Magugustuhan nyo guys.
Mm-hmm.
Ikaw, Tan.
Madaming makaka-relate. Tsaka, nung unang reaction ko, narinig ko Adobo. Sabi ko, bakit Adobo? Tapos nung na-explain na, sabi ko,
Oh yeah, me too.
sabi ko, ganun pala yung story. Parang, ang nice kasi creative, diba? Hindi siya yung parang
Yeah.
nagawa na before.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Denise.
I had a lot of,
Sorry, Ashley, sige.
pero I thought I had a lot of like stories sa head ko na ito yung story. Pero sabi Adobo, so sabi ko, like sobrang out of the ordinary, but it's creative. So
What about you, Denise? What was your reaction?
Same as them when I read the script. It was not the usual kind, pero nakaka-relate ka kasi it's very light and syempre of course it's about love, like teenage love, ganyan, a long distance, and nakaka-excite kasi ang ganda ng mismong story, as in something to really look forward to when shown na later in a few minutes from now.
Maya-maya lang. Pero para sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, okay, syempre napanood na naman ng trailer, yung mga teaser, pero what is pelikula Adobo about? Pwede mo niyo bang ikwento sa amin, sa mga audience? Yeah, ikaw na.
Adobo.
Yeah.
So Pelikula Adobo is about two people na it started off as friends. So nag-drift sila kasi lumipat yung girl sa ibang bansa. So the only way that they connected back together was because of
Adobo.
the dish Adobo. So si Rico, meron si Hannah na may like Hanny needed help to cook a recipe which is adobo. Tapos it wasn't supposed to be Rico. It was supposed to be yung tita, diba? Si Ate
diba?
Denise.
Yeah.
But then it ended up to be Rico. That's when they reconnected their friendship, and then something happened after that, which I can't say yet.
Oo, dapat talaga nila abangan. Diba?
Yes.
Sobrang exciting kasi yun nga, diba? Nagawa nating i-shoot to during the pandemic. Well, Ashley is in Australia, si Tan nandito sa Manila, si Denise na sa Manila, pero lahat magkakahiwalay. Okay. Pero pwede niyo bang ikwento yung experience niyo sa pag-shoot during the lockdown? Yun nga, sabi nga ni Tan, kinabahan kasi before pag may film or may kailangan i-shoot, nandun yung director, may ibang mag-shoot sa'yo, pero iba kasi yung experience dito. Pwede niyo bang ikwento sa starmates natin kung kamusta yung experience niyo, kung paano niyo ito hinarap? Tan.
Ayun po, it was unique kasi akala ko may magdedirect sa amin na parang siya talaga kukuha ng like shots namin. Pero it turns out kasama ko yung kapatid ko sa sa pag-take ng mga videos. And it was fun po kasi habang nagtatawanan pa kami ng kapatid ko about sa mga scenes. Kasi first time niya din ako makita mag-acting, tapos kasama ko po siya. Kaya masaya, sobra.
Awkward ba na yung kapatid mo nandun tapos siya nag-shoot sa'yo?
Medyo awkward kasi natatawa ko pag tinitignan ko mukha ng kapatid ko. Tapos masaya din kasi mababait yung mga ka-work ko, sila direct, ayun.
Ikaw, Denise, paano mo ba siya? May tumulong din ba sa'yo?
Meron yung best friend ko, tumulong siya, plus yung other part yung mga other friends ko. And sobrang nakakapanibago kasi like what Tan said, it was different, unique because hindi mo talaga kaharap yung people you're acting with. So, dinadirect ka through yung Zoom call, ganyan. So, it's very different. At the same time, challenging for us na actors kasi we need to like have the specific emotion pa din. Kahit na we aren't really talking to each other, aren't really communicating, or hindi talaga magka-eksena. So, it was a challenge, but at the same time, it was really fun to shoot. Kasi yung team, yung TVDG team, sobrang light nilang ka-work kasi ang bait nila. And they really, ako personally, they guided me into how it was. And I keep asking questions. And they were there to answer, okay lang yan, sige lang, ulit lang, go lang, ganun. So, ang saya talaga ng whole experience.
Ayan. Ikaw ba, Ashley? Kasi balita ko, ang tumulong sa'yo is yung mom mo, di ba? Pag-shoot.
Yeah, my mom's here now, like, if you wanna see.
Ano ba siya?
Yeah, yung mom ko. Pero yung mom ko, yeah, she helped me the whole day. Tapos, it was challenging for us kasi we didn't know much, pero I think that's the best part of it now. We learned something din. Besides ako, nag-a-acting ako. Tapos, yung director sa amin, ang light, like, he's helping me and my mom. And, like, if I had any questions, like, I wasn't afraid to ask because they made it so comfortable. They made that, like, environment so comfortable when I was acting. But it was, like, at first, when I was acting in front of my mom, but it was, like, I was scared at first and awkward. But after, like, nagdadala yung mom ko sa scene pag ako. So it was funny. And it was enjoyable the day of shooting.
Pero how were you able to overcome that na nahihiya ka nga sa mom mo na mag-acting, syempre, tapos siya pa yung nag-shoot sa'yo? How were you able to overcome that?
Over time, my mom was just there, like, she would give me advice, like, we would, like, I'll be like, Mom, how do I say this? Or how do I express this? And then she'd be like, oh, this is what you do. This is what you do. And then, pag nagwa-watch siya sa akin, like, she's always smiling. Or sometimes when the scene's very, like, serious na, she has a serious face din. So, pag tingin ko sa mom ko, like, tumatawa ako. Kasi, sa back ng camera, she's like ganyan sa face ko. But it was fun.
In character din si mom
In
mo.
character yung mom ko.
Kung ano yung nangyari din sa eksena, yun din yung nararamdaman.
And kinikilig siya sa direct at ako.
Kasi syempre, kailan yung nagbabatuhan. Syempre, wala din si Tan to...
Ako, wala po si Tan.
Pero yun guys, onti na nga lang ay mapapanood na natin yung pelikula Adobo. Meron ba kayong message para sa ating mga starmates? Ashley.
Hi, Starmates. I hope you guys enjoy this talaga, and I hope you let out all your emotions about how you feel with this film. We really put in our 110% dito, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Also, salamat din sa prod team at kay Direct, kasi without Direct and without the prod team, this story at this whole film wouldn't be happening right now. So, thank you talaga.
Denise.
Ako, first of all, I'd like to thank the team for letting me join. It's such an honor to be part of an Ashtan short film. So, ayun, sa Starmates and to everybody yung Ashtan, grabe yung support niyo sa kanila. And they really deserve this kasi they've been really wanting it, like what Ashley said and what Tan is also feeling. So, grabe yung support nyo, and I just wish na mag-enjoy kayo and you keep on supporting them because they truly deserve this. So yun, have fun.
Yan.
Yes, sir. Ayun, gusto kong magpasalamat sa TVDG Group, kay Direct, sa mga prod, and ayun, sa mga taong nagboto sa amin sa Kumu pa lang, doon na talaga nakikita na namin yung effort nyo, kung gano'n nyo kagusto na kami yung manalo sa pelikula. And ayun, sana magustuhan na nyo yung ipapakita namin sa inyo. And ayun, thank you so much. I love you guys.
Ayun. Kaya naman guys, oras na. Okay? So guys, ako na Guys, mag-login na po kayo sa inyong mga Facebook accounts. Okay? Kung may extra device kayo, use your extra device. At pumunta po sa TVDG Adobo Block Screening na group. Okay?
Alright.
So ngayon po nagro-run din yung trailer. Ayan, so pero manood na rin po kayo. At pag kumpleto na, okay, halos 300, more than 300 na mga nanonood. So pag halos kumpleto na tayo doon, sisimulan na po natin ang pelikula Adobo. Don't exit the Zoom party, syempre para makita nyo rin ang reaction ng ating cast, para makita nila yung reactions nyo habang nanonood. And feel free na mag-comment sa comment section, okay, para makapagkwentuhan din kayo doon kung ano nararamdaman nyo, yung reaction nyo. Pwede kayo makipagkwentuhan kanila Ashley, kanila Denise, kanila Tan. Okay? So lumipat na po tayo doon, magkita-kita tayo doon.
Miss Arte, ganyan talaga kapag nagluluto. Dapat pati ingredients mo, alam mong fresh. Sige, amoyin mo na. Hindi ganyan. Ganto. Tingnan mo ako. Nakintay kaya ako.
Well, why didn't you call me? Or chat me man lang?
Huwag na natin pag-usapan yan. Baka mag-away lang tayo.
Thank you, and
Thank you, Starmates. We love you. Sorry.
thank you so much.
Thank you guys!
Nagpapahalo tayo.
Bye-bye. Congrats sa inyong tatlo. Congrats.
Watch.
Thank you,
Direct.
Direct.
Thank you, Direct
Thank
Josh.
you for the prod.
Salamat po.
Thank you, Direct. Everyone go give a
Thank you,
clap to
TVDG.
Direct. And for the prod.
Yan,
Thank you.
yan, maraming salamat sa lahat. Siyempre naman nag-join. Ayan, pero bago yun, wag muna po kayong aalis. Mag-screenshot tayo. Okay, of everyone. Tingnan natin kung magkakasya natin yung 282.